Hey there, it's Zach. Today we're going to be going over setting up a React app. Some of the things we're going to cover is how to initialize React on your computer, how to create the app itself, and how to run the app for editing. As a bonus, we're going to be able to see some live changes. So what I'm going to be doing is running this off of the command line. So down here to the left, you can see that I have my terminal open, and over here to the right on this screenshot, I have the code to be used. I can also copy and paste this in the video description, or I can help anybody that has any questions on an individual basis. So first what we're going to do is we're going to bring this package of the framework React to your computer. We're going to be using Node Package Manager. If you don't have Node Package Manager, I have other videos explaining how to bring that down. So we're going to do Node Package Manager install -G for a global scale. And we're going to do create React app. I already have it installed, so it's just going to verify a lot of the dependencies on my side. For you, it could take a little bit longer. For those that don't know, the point of having a framework is it automates a lot of the processes you'd have to do otherwise. As a full stack developer, in the past, I've had to create a web page. So I'd have to start with the HTML for the structure, and then the CSS for the design, and then the JavaScript for the functionality. And then I'd have to go to the back end and create what's called routes, CRUD routes, create, read, update, delete. And I'd have to create routes using Express or any other sort of back end framework. What this does is it brings all of that together in a single page app framework. So it's pretty significant because it's ready to push for hosting almost immediately. So next we're going to use this dependency that we downloaded. We're going to do create React app. We're going to call it test app. So what it's doing now is just creating this app out of the dependencies that I just downloaded. So instead of having to manually create different folders, called one for source that would have all our JavaScript files, one for public that would have all of our index files, and one for build where we would eventually send the finished product after it's web packaged. What this does is sets up all the folders and the file structure on the back end, and it links a lot of the files we're going to use, such as the app.js, where we're going to change a majority of our stuff because the app.js feeds into the index.js, which is another JavaScript file, which feeds into the index.html. So now we can see it's started. Next, I'm going to change directory into my test app. Then I'm going to run npm start. So this is going to start the environment. It comes out of the box with a nice template and a sample. I have a couple running already, so I'm going to need to click yes. And so right here you can see that we have a React app that's about to come up on a local host. And what it's going to do is it's going to have some pretty standard templates that we're going to be able to change. So in the videos to come, I'm going to show how to use components and modular scripting in order to change what we see. Talk to you then. If you have any questions, just feel free to leave them in the comments. Thank you.